Welcome to the Infinite Knowledge Channel. Let's move to the topic. What is a property? The Transfer of Property Act 1882 does not define the word property. Many other statutes define the word property on the basis of their objects. For example, Sale of Goods Act 1930. Property means the general property in goods and not merely a special property. Wealth Tax Act 1957. The expression property includes any interest in property, movable or immovable, the proceeds of sale thereof, and any money or investment for the time being representing the proceeds of sale thereof, and where the property is converted into any other property by any method, such other property. Gift Tax Act 1958. Property includes any interest in property, movable or immovable. Property, anything that is owned by a person or an entity. Property type can be either tangible or intangible, movable or immovable. Property in real estate refers to the entirety of the land, buildings, structures, machinery, equipment, etc. owned by the landowner. Types of property: movable and immovable property, tangible and intangible property, intellectual property. Immovable and movable property. Transfer of Property Act defines the word immovable property as follows. Immovable property does not include standing crop, growing crops or grass. General Clauses Act 1897 defines the word immovable property as follows. Immovable property shall include land, benefits to arise out of land, and things attached to earth or permanently fastened to anything attached to earth. General Clauses Act 1897 defines the word movable property as follows. Movable property shall mean any property of every description except immovable property. Sales of Goods Act defines the word movable property as: movable property includes stocks and shares, growing crops, grass, and things attached to or forming part of the land. Kinds of intellectual property are patents, trademark, copyright, industrial designs, trade secrets, plant varieties. Tangible property. Such property can be felt or touched. Intangible property. Such property cannot be felt or touched. Tangible or intangible property may be movable or immovable. What are the property documents essential for ready to move in or ready for buying? Whether it is residential, office space, retail space, industrial, land, or specialty. Title document. Check whether the documents are original or not. It may be sale deed, gift deed, convenience deed, etc. Check the property under whose name. Check whether who is in the possession of the property. Check the chain of title documents right from first owner to last owner. Developer or development authority, first owner, second owner, third owner. Check government approved layout. Check encumbrance certificate. You can check online or you have to check with the lawyer. Check encumbrance certificate, that is title search report for up to 30 years. Check completion certificate and occupancy certificate by municipal authority. Check allotment letter and possession letter by development authority or developer. Check mortgage documents, if any, list of documents and latest loan statement. Check property tax receipts up to date. Check owner's name and property details. Check bills and taxes paid, revenue records of all up to date, latest documents, bills paid and taxes. Legal approvals, land conversion certificate in case of agricultural to non-agricultural land, sale deed and mother deed documents. Any other relevant to the location, master industrial, zone allocation, residential, commercial, industrial, future proposals, etc. Check the NOC from relevant authorities, essential for safe date registration. Risk is GPA, General Power of Authority. You have to consult lawyer in case of GP. Before buying, make sure to advertise in a local newspaper with clear survey numbers that you are going to purchase the property. Understand the local governing land acts, government orders if applicable. Property should not come under the Prohibited Lands and Section 22A of 1908 Registration Act. Depending on the area of land, do check what are the rules and regulations applicable. Financial support from banks, etc. Name survey numbers should be same. According to the Transfer of Property Act 1882, transfer of property means an act by which a person conveys property to one or more persons. The act of transfer may be done in the present or for the future. The person may include an individual, company or association or body of individuals, and any kind of property may be transferred, including the transfer of immovable property.